Shaw Williams here, and welcome to the Dominate Your Taxes Workshop, where our goal is to actually take you step by step through your tax return so that you can be empowered to do your own taxes. Tax Group Pros is sponsoring this event, and Dominate Your Taxes is the actual workshop. So what we want to do today is take you through the mobile app, which is the first step. To start any tax return, we're going to actually show you here on the screen right now how you can actually start and how easy it is. Let's watch this video. All right, so as you can see, this is something that you are going to encounter on every single tax return, no matter what you do. When you go to the tax office, you're going to actually have to fill out a intake form, a client engagement letter, as well as a consent letter. And we've made this so easy so that you can actually do this from your phone. As you can see here on the screen, we're just putting in basic information, your address, your phone number, your name, your social, things of that nature. And it's going to proceed to create an account for you. Once you get through this process, what's going to happen is